Frustrated by the Osetupui Library DLL error causing Microsoft Office Setup UI to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. As we prepare to fix Osetupui library manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the Osetupui library, the Office Setup User Interface library. It manages the unmanaged rendering of the installation and repair dialogs for Microsoft Office, facilitating the orchestration of setup progress manifests. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software. Download and reinstall the latest version of Microsoft Office Setup UI to restore Osetupui Library DLL safely. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Osetupui library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Osetupui Library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. Review repair-related information for Osetupui Library by consulting the diagnostic utility linked below. If your workstation is back online and Osetupui Library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.